Hey guys, it's me Sylvia back with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna be playing a bit of Among Us, but letting it pick our makeup look. Now you might be wondering what the heck does Among Us have to do with makeup, and I'm gonna tell you in a minute how this is all gonna work. But for everybody that doesn't know what Among Us is, like let me give you a quick backstory because it is a super popular game right now. Literally like everybody's playing it. Charles has a gaming channel, so he got me into it and we've been playing with our friends like every night, and I'm low-key addicted. It's actually so fun. So it's an online game that up to 10 people can play. Some of you are labeled crewmates and some of you are imposters. Crewmates go around the spaceship like doing their tasks, while the imposters go around pretending to be crewmates but like killing people on the low. Whenever a dead body is found, everyone goes to discussion and tries to figure out who the imposter is.
Charles, you are my number one suspect. I think you're self-reporting, honey.
And one by one, people are voted off, and the imposter's like lying out of their teeth, and you believe some people, you don't. Like, it gets really intense when you're playing with friends. So how we're gonna play this, whatever color the first character is that dies, I'm gonna have to use that color in my makeup look. So say pink dies first, I have to then decide, okay, where do I wanna use this pink on my face? Am I gonna do pink eyeshadow, pink blush, pink lips? You get the idea. And this will be a good makeup challenge because there's like every color of the rainbow of Among Us characters. So getting them at random and having to decide how to use them in my makeup routine is gonna be hard. Like, we're gonna end up with a really colorful look, and I feel like it could go downhill real quick. Without further ado, let's get into it. So I'm in the first lobby. We're doing European servers, so no one's gonna probably speak English, but North American servers are just too glitchy in this game. Also, I started with my foundation, concealer, brows already done for obvious reasons, but everything else will be decided by this game. Crewmate, good. Let's see who's gonna die first. Let's do the task and weapons. The meteor task. Pew, 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 pew. This task is so long, I swear I'm gonna die first. What then? I would use yellow? Pew. All right, task complete. Next. Oh God, navigation. Oh, pink. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, pink. Let me do my task. All right, task complete. Next. No one's died yet? Come on. Where are the dead bodies at? Let's see. What color are we using? Lights are off. Someone's got to die now. Oh, white died first. White died first. So this is the point where you discuss, like, you know, where was the dead body? Anyone see anybody? But we're exiting the game because all we needed to see was what color died first, so we know what to use in the makeup look. White's honestly a good color to start with. I'm glad white died first. Rip white, but like, I'm gonna use this white, technically white highlighter. Okay, see what I'm doing here? Oh yeah, now we're getting some highlight on the face. It might be shimmery on my face, but it's white in the pan, so it counts. We'll also do a white inner corner highlight. I was scared I was gonna like start off with blue. Like, don't give me a blue first, you know? I need the colors to make sense to know where I'm going with this makeup look. Crewmate, let's go. Oh my God, the speed is so high.
I wanna see some real speed.
What the heck? Press to start. Medbay always stresses me out. I feel like everyone dies in medbay. Reactor, do task. Why is Red coming back? Red killed me. No. So I'm the first one to die then. What the heck? Yeah, you vent, you little. So it looks like we're going in with yellow because I was definitely the first to die. The worst. We're gonna use this kind of like mustard yellow from the Latte 2 palette from Dominique Cosmetics. I couldn't find a more vibrant like pastel yellow. Most of my makeup collection is in LA still, so this will have to do. I think I wanna apply that in my crease, but like the stress of not knowing what color I'm gonna get next is really messing with my head. Oh God, why am I? This is taking up so much lid space. Maybe I should have only done like yellow in a little area. What if I get like green, blue, purple, lime green? Where am I gonna put it all? So guess we have a yellow crease now. Next game. Oh my God, I'm imposter. All right, brown is also imposter. Low-key, I wanted brown to die so I could do my bronzer, but let me go kill pink real quick because I want to do pink blush. Pink, you're about to die. Sorry to say it. Sorry to say it. Bye, pink. I did it in front of everyone too. I'm gonna say it was orange. Even though they fully saw me. Let's try and get orange out just for fun. I don't know what they're saying. Orange is stressed. Do you think we got him out? It's so easy to sway the lobby when you can't talk through Discord. Orange got all the votes. Low-key, that was a strategy. I wanted to kill pink so then I could do pink blush. I'm gonna use the Rare Beauty blush in Happy. Put that on my cheek. Oh, we got a nice glow too. A little bit on my nose, why not? Pink is said and done. We're just making up the rules as we go now because if I'm imposter, the person who dies first technically is who I want it to be, so. We're crewmate. Let's see who dies first. I'm gonna go to the right side of the map. I swear people die first on the right side of the map. Okay, we got red and green here in O2. Green is definitely faking a task right now. Green, you're sketching me out, Green. You're sketching me out. Are you the imposter? Are you gonna kill me? I knew it! Wait, what the heck? It says yellow killed me. What? Is he a hacker? What the heck? So my guy was purple versus dye again. So let's use purple somewhere on this face right now. He's like a dark purple, so I'm gonna use this shade from the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. It smells like pumpkin pie, you guys. It smells so good. This is my first time using this palette too. I wanna create some looks with it. It's so cute. Okay, wait, that's really dark purple on my under eye, so I'm gonna mix it with the shade right next to it. And let's just apply that on my lower lash line. Not bad, not bad. I think we're doing okay so far. Let's see what happens in the next game. Crewmate, let's go. Let's do the leaf game. All right, navigation, what's going on in here? Wow, it's a party in navigation. There's so many people here. Shields. Dead body. 3 people died already? Oh my God. Okay, so we got white, brown, and teal. I'm gonna go with brown. I've been needing brown. We need to finish our bronzer, so that counts as brown, does it not? These people are probably so mad I'm leaving the game like first round. Little do they know they're helping me create a makeup look right now. I'm using the Urban Decay Beach Bronze Bronzer. After bronzer, my face makeup is done, right? Yeah, we got highlight, blush, bronzer. We're good on the face makeup now. I could do a nice brown lip. I could like zhuzh up my eyeshadow with a little bit of brown. I think I'm gonna save my lips for another color. We'll see who else dies. Let's use this brown shade from that Latte 2 palette we used earlier. And let's just throw that on my lash line and outer corner. Honestly, that kind of got away from me. I'm hoping we can like pull it together in the end, but like what's going on there? Like it could be worse, but it could be better. Crewmate. I'm gonna go to weapons. Download. Ooh, weapons is popping. There's a lot of people over here. Honestly, this makeup look could get worse, but I'm really not feeling it so far. Okay, let's go to navigation. Nah, go down. Shields. Tommy, what are you doing in there? Get away from me, Tommy. Fuel. Is anyone dead yet? Come on, I need to do my next step. Oh, dead body, orange. Orange is dead. I repeat, orange is dead. Oh, a lot of people are dead, but somebody found the orange body. So we're doing orange. We'll use this orange shade right here. I feel like that's a good color for my lid. So I'm gonna just pack that on where I don't have any shadow on my lid. It's just so dramatic. There's just so much going on in the drama. Like normally I would do the darkest shade like last and it would just help with my blending. Like I'm just having a difficult time bringing this whole eye look together. It's turning out way more like Halloween-y than I expected. Does anyone have any plans for Halloween this year? Like I feel like, isn't Halloween canceled like COVID, you know? Kids definitely aren't trick-or-treating, right? Like there's no way. And like parties definitely aren't a thing. Like the only Halloween-y thing that I'll probably do this year is like watch scary movies, maybe do a scary makeup look. Like there's not really much to do in a pandemic. Yeah, let me know if you guys are doing anything for Halloween. Let's do some tasks, ladies and gentlemen. Cafeteria task. Hold. Okay, let's go down to O2. Do my leaf task. Oh my God, dead body already. Purple, we already have purple. Okay, low-key I need black because we need to do our mascara and eyeliner. So I'm gonna try and get black out right now. I'm gonna literally convince the whole lobby that it's black. They're voting black. Bye, black. He wasn't even an imposter. Everyone hates me. Oh well. So we had to finesse it. You know, purple was caught dead first, but we already got purple. So it had to be black. So we'll do black eyeliner. I feel like that's the obvious choice. I'm gonna also throw some black mascara on. You know I have to put on some falsies because I'm really not feeling this look. And honestly, falsies make everything better. So I'm putting on my Glamnetic lashes in the style Baby Doll. There we go, lashes are on, looking much better. So last step is lips. Let's enter another game, see who dies first. Hope for the best. I'm imposter, okay. So let's go kill somebody. What color lip should I have? What color lip should I have? Okay, not teal, blue. Red, 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 red. I don't want a red lip, but he's the closest guy to me. I killed him. I killed him. Red lip it is. Like I panicked and just killed red. But realistically, like I'm not trying to do a blue lip. I'm not trying to do a purple lip, green lip. Like red was the only logical color left. I'm gonna use the CoverGirl Exhibitionist liner in the color Plum Partner. We'll do like a purpley lip liner with like a red lipstick. We're gonna use Patrick Starr's collab with MAC Sleigh Ride. I think this was limited edition, but it's such a good red. Did one of my eyelashes just fall off? Is this a joke? You guys, I just realized. Where is it? Okay, well, We'll take the other one off too. It's just a fail today. Lip is on. Personally, I would have never paired up a red lip with this eye look. I would have done a lot of things differently, looking back on it. But these are just the cards that Among Us has dealt us. All in all, it was a really fun challenge to do. I think we got really creative with it today. It was fun to play some Among Us while also doing makeup. Anyways, let me know if you guys liked this video. Are you playing Among Us? Are you also on the bandwagon? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Be sure to subscribe before you go. Check out these other videos of mine if you haven't seen them yet. Bye guys. Mwah. Bye.